Hello, my name is Ximena Martinez. I'm going to record task 7 from the recording exercise. Okay, the first part is the reading, and its emotions are states or feelings that are often intense, last for only a short time, and are clearly directed at um, or caused by someone or some circumstances. Positive emotions include joy, great relief, love, and compassion. We must share positives and joy to others by always trying to be positive and cheerful. Negative emotions include anger, um, anxiety, fear, guilt, shame, sadness, envy, and disgust. Minimal pairs: cat, bat, white, wise, right, road, kite, night, take, steak, coat, cot, pin, bean, teal, peel, teach, pitch, day, pay, dig, pig, deal, peel, duck, buck, date, bait, toll, coal, tool, cool, tape, cape, tote, coat, town, gone, tie, guy, tap, gap, tool, ghoul, tag, gag, table, gable, tin, fin, tail, fail, tone, fun, fun, tick, big, big. Intonation: statements with one stress. She works. We laugh. It stop. Statements with two stresses. Tom is reading. Mike is sleeping. The car is stopped. The weather has changed. Statements with three stresses. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statements with four stresses. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very, very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. Statements with five stresses. Alice wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading a book you brought yesterday. Special questions, spelling, intonations. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? friendly interest, politeness, raising intonation. What's your name? Where do you live? What did you say? What did she say? Where have you been? General questions, rising intonations. Have you read this book? Have you heard this news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request, rising intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative questions, rising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? Tag questions, failing or raising intonation. They don't know them, do you? They haven't found it, have they? They weren't late, were you? It shouldn't do it. Should I? I shouldn't do it. Should I? Comments, failing intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Request, raising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentences, failing intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address, raising intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lynn, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating, rising intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Responses. I can. She is. He will. You should. I can't. He didn't. Thank you very much.